Hi, my name is Sara Pedron Haba. I'm a research assistant professor at the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering Department and also the Carl Illinois College of Medicine. I'm also affiliated to the Institute for Genomic Biology and the Cancer Center at Illinois. Cancer is one of the big challenges in medicine, not only in tissue engineering. So how as engineers and chemists and material scientists, how can we use those tools that we learn in tissue engineering to help and to find treatments for this big challenge that is cancer? So that's how I started. I started working in cancer research and just kind of applying tissue engineering approaches to cancer research. How can we model like tumors? How can we model the interactions between the cells, how they talk to each other, how they talk to their environment, and how that we can manipulate in a controllable manner that environment so that we can understand how cells behave in the native environment. If we understand that, how can we prevent those cells from invading other tissues? How can we improve? Focusing on the brain was very underexplored area. So as compared to other like tumors such as breast, for instance. So understanding also the brain, since it's really inaccessible, it was also very important. And I thought it was a very big puzzle. I was like kind of the idea of solving puzzles. So I always, when I was a child, I wanted to be like a private investigator. So it was like that idea of, you know, then I figured out that's not how it's said in TV, right? But then it's like idea of putting together different parts and clues to kind of understand and to find out to discover anything. You can be kind of isolated when you're doing your bench work, right? And you're using your models and you're using your cells. But when you go out there and you talk to advocates, you talk to patients, you talk to the oncologists, and they tell you like the challenges they face and what actually can do just all this investment in time and in research and all these little advances, even though they're like a little bit every year, how they can change so many lives, even if it's just the one patient or the two patients, that how much is impacted to the patient and their families and their caregivers.